Hey, man, what you waiting for, man? Why you ain't started that YouTube channel? What, you ain't got nothing to talk about? What, you scared? You shy? What's going on, man? Man, matter of fact, man, start a YouTube channel today, bro. No, not tomorrow, start today. You did? Hey, man, look, man. I just got on here myself, man, so let me not, you know what I'm saying, but, hey, they getting money on YouTube, man. They getting a lot of money on YouTube. See, when I first got on here, I was thinking, man, hey, maybe I could create a channel, get my stuff going, make 1,000, 2,000 a month. But, man, these folks getting hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube, bro. And see, I'm thinking, man, maybe those just the popular people. Of course, they could get that kind of money. They popular. Everybody know them. No, sir, not just them, bro. It's people, man, I'm talking about they might be garage selling. They might be barbecuing. They might be teaching you how to change car parts. Man, they getting paid all type of ways on YouTube, man. So, hey, man, if you got a story to tell, hey, man, if you got a job that you do, man, and you want to tell about that, man, if you got a business you running, man, if you just want to document your life stories, man, your life journey, man, as like a vlog or something, whatever, man, I'm telling you, if you ain't on this YouTube, you sleep, bro. Man, I'm talking about, man, I found out what these folks making, man, my head still spinning, G. My head ain't stopped spinning, bro. I'm like, man, I got to get in on this. No, man, I need a cut, G. And you know the coldest part about all of it? It's free. Yeah, it ain't gonna cost you a dime to start your channel ASAP. I'm talking about today, ski. Yeah, it's free, man. Yeah, you can put a video up. I'm talking about at this very moment, man. You can put a video up, man. You can react to this video. Man, there's so much stuff you could do, man. I'm telling you, bro. My head still, you telling me I could just record myself, and if I could make it interesting enough and get enough people to tap in, I could make some bread on YouTube? Man, YouTube is insane, bro. So, man, I don't know what you're waiting on. I don't care if you're a youngster, an old school cat, man. Get on this YouTube, man, and let these people hear what you got to say, see what you got going on. You know what I mean? Hey, man, if you don't got nothing going on, create a character, man. Yeah, create a character, man, and bring him to YouTube or bring her to YouTube, you know? Man. Yeah, man. So, hey, man, get on YouTube, bruh. ASAP. Y'all gotta excuse me, man. I keep pausing, man, because I was watching this one guy today named Myron Golden, man. You know, he ain't just a big celebrity. He ain't a ball player, rapper, nothing. But, man, when that man told me his numbers, bro, or not told me, you know, on the video, I couldn't believe it. He said he started out. First, it was just a little 300. I think he said that went to 600. For you know it, he had 1,500. For you know it, he had 15,000. And then 27,000. This just a normal guy sharing his knowledge, man. I'm like, what? Man, so at this point, I can't see why everybody ain't on YouTube, man. Just sharing your life experience, sharing what you got going on, especially if you got something interesting that people would like to see, man. For the free ski. Man, come on, you know you can't be free 99. You know what I'm saying? I see if they say, hey, man, we need a little $5 a month or $5. Man, this free 99, bro. You can put out however many videos you want, you know, whenever you want. Just follow the guidelines. That's all they ask that you do, man. Long as you within that, Man, you good. So, hey, man, with my parting message, man, let it be. Start your YouTube channel ASAP, bruh. Try to come get some of this money, man. I'm gone.